Once again, welcome to our channel Life Insights. Before entering to the video, we request all of our viewers to subscribe our channel and also, if possible, comment in the comment section. One of our friends has asked a question: is life a battlefield? Most of the people think that life is a kind of battlefield. Our day-to-day existence has become like that. We tend to believe that life has so many conflicts, life has enormous problems. In one sense, really we are faced with so many crises. In the past also, in the present also, and hence in the future also, we are going to face so many problems in the life. Life is full of problems. In a sense, life is a challenge to us. Now, how do we deal with the situation? Why life becomes a battlefield? Because ignorance is a part of our life. We don't bother about ignorance. Our mind has the capacity to project so many aspects into our own life. From the spiritual point of view, if we answer this question, life is not at all a battlefield. Life is a free gift by the existence. In real sense, life cannot be explained in words. It is beyond all the words and all descriptions. So, we are to be very patient with life. One is to be inclined to understand life. Why we say always that life is a battlefield? Because we are very much afraid of life. We are fearful. For life is always mysterious. We have created such a system whereby human beings are in conflict with each other. Is life made us like that? Certainly it is not so. Life is a great reality. Life is equal for each and everybody of us. As we have told earlier, reality is one. All the human beings are unique. They are unique in their capacity and talent. Even a single person is absent from here. Spiritually, we are missing something. So, each and everybody is to contribute something in this world. For that, a spiritual wisdom is needed. What is spiritual wisdom? We existed in the past, we exist here, we will be existing here. So, the concept of death has no meaning at all. Death is simply an appearance. So, we are free from fear. We can be very easily free from fear through a meditative mind. Otherwise, we tend to think that life is impermanent and has no meaning at all. Those who are telling that life is a battlefield do not find any significance for life. But life has great depths. That depth is what spirituality is concerned. Such persons who are telling that life is a battlefield do not understand the significance of life. Life is very mysterious. It is beautiful. It is divine. We can add so many attributes to it. only an inner exploration is needed. We cannot find a peaceful state outwardly. Since they are trying to find a peaceful state outwardly, they don't find that state here. But that state can be found inside. Inwardly we can find that state. The kingdom of peace is within us. So if one is aware, we can reach that state. That state we assume has no time at all. It is beyond all time. It is beyond all the known. It may belong to the unknowable. The creation belongs to unknowable. It is always virgin. So such a wisdom is great in our life. We have to meditate upon that wisdom. Who we are. This question also belongs to that kind of wisdom only. Already we released a video in the title, Who am I? We have to ask always this question, who am I? In a way, daily we have to ask this question, who am I? Because who am I is an existential question. If we ask this question, certainly it will lead to a stage where time will disappear. We may find eternity. That eternity may be the purpose of life. Even though we don't find any solid purpose in life, but it may be purposeless. Life may be purposeless, but it must have a significance. Spirituality is concerned about that significance only. It does not concern about any purpose at all. So if one wishes, we can understand the significance of life and be blessed by the existence. Once again, we will come up with another one video describing the aspect of life.